Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing what's happened this week and what I'll be looking for the coming week. So let's get into the video. In my last video, which I'll be tagging to the right corner of this video, you can go check that out. So I was talking about how price will move into this level, back into this level here, since we have price coming into these levels. In the last recording that I had on GBPUSD was when price is getting into this market structure here. So I was looking at the market closely to know if price is going to jump off from that point, probably back into this market structure up here, or will price break that market structure then come into this demand level, this one down here. I haven't seen this one then. So I just saw this one of recently. After price is taking out this, I was like, okay, what might be an obstacle for price from getting to this point? Then I saw this demand level here. That was why I pulled out this demand level. So this is also a demand level. The only trade that I took on GBPUSD was a loss, and I will show you how I got into that trade that get me that loss. So I was looking at this market structure here on the 4-hour. Then I saw that price respected that market structure on the 4-hour. Then after price respecting it from the 4-hour, what I do is I look for a way to join the market to that particular direction. So I was hoping price will just go up from that point onward. So after confirming that level, that was on Monday, I saw that. Then I went in on that trade, I think on Wednesday or so. Let me show that. I think I entered this trade twice. One hit me out on break even, then the other one hit me out on a loss. So let me show that from my notion. So that was Wednesday, Tuesday. You can see this is Monday here. You can see. So after price reached there, to respect that level, you can see price is currently being held by the daily market structure, expecting a bullish run. That was what I was expecting on Monday. So this is exactly what I was looking at. I was looking at something like this to come up, something like this, similar like this to come up. Then I saw that price really did that by giving a change of character. That was the first thing that I saw on that pair. So my setup, everything is okay. The market just didn't go my way. So after price did that, I pull out my point of interest. Then I was waiting for price to come back into it. Then on Tuesday, price came into that level. Then price stopped me out on break even. You can see break even it. So that was what really happened there on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday again, I was looking at the opportunity to go into that trade again on Wednesday. That was when I pulled out this setup after price took out this level here. You can see. Then I was hoping price will just come back into this point of interest here. Then tap in, respect it, and take me in. So that was the second setup for the week, and price did actually what I was expecting. Price came into that point of interest, then respected that point of interest, then start moving upward. So that was when I entered. I started the trade on Wednesday, and I was stopped out on Thursday. That was a very silly trade, but it's okay. It is what it is. So that level is not really holding the price, and that tells me a lot of story. Okay, what is the next thing to be done? That was when I like, well, let me look at what the market really wants to do. So I took away that market structure, this market structure here. I take it off the chart. You can see right now. So this is what I'm looking at right now on GBPUSD. So price is moving into this demand level here, and I'm waiting for price reaction. I want to see how market is going to behave, how market is going to behave within this level here. So if price should close above this level on the 4-hour, that is currently what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a clear close from this market, from this demand level on the H4. If I see the market close, and I'll be looking for the change of character on the 1-hour. This 2 point here is currently what I'm really looking out for price to buy from that point, from many of these points where. So, but if this level here is taken out, I'll be looking at selling to this demand level, or probably sell continuation into this major market structure that we have here. And this market structure is gotten from the higher time frame, from the weekly time frame. Let me show that. That was a very, you can see that was a very serious level. So I'm really expecting price to get there. If the sell really want to continue, then I'll be looking at the overall movement from this point. But for now, I'm just still looking at where are the possible places for me to buy this from. So that's what I'm really looking at on GBPUSD right now. Nothing too serious. So I had a loss on Thursday, but Luckily for me, gold gave back what I lost, and even gave me more. So on gold, what did I saw on gold that made me go into gold? So the very first thing I saw on gold was this. I was looking at, let me show that my notion as well, so that we can have a clearer idea of what is really happening here. So I pull in for Monday. So the same thing, I was looking at gold movement on that Monday after price got to this demand level here. This demand level here was where I was looking at the price to to go up. I was looking for buying opportunity from this point, but look at what the market did. Let me show that again. So this was the first wait, no, okay, this was the first setup that I saw here after price took out that market structure. So I was waiting for price to come into this point of interest, but market never give me the opportunity again, just moved away. You can see the second setup, the same thing happened. Break of structure, point of interest divided. I was waiting for price to push into that point of interest, but price never get back there. So that was when I was okay, if that is what you want to do, no problem. So I was unable to enter into the buy until price gets to this market structure that we have right now. You can see. So I was looking at price rejection at this market structure here. That was when I was okay, if 4-hour candlestick can reject and close below this market structure, I'll be looking for selling opportunity. But if this level here is taken out, I'll be looking for buy continuation. That was my whole intention about this this market when it gets to that point. So as time goes on, price took out that market structure. That was when I started looking for a buying opportunity, and that was when I had this setup. You can see price took out this level. I pull up my point of interest, waiting for price to get into that level. And look at what the market did. The market didn't come to that level as I'm expecting, but later created a new break of structure. So what I did on this aspect was that after price started ranging within this level here, I pulled down into the lower time frame, and I saw that there was a break of structure at that point. Then I used the 1-hour candlestick to pull up my point of interest. That was what I did there. Then price came into it, then closed above it. So this is one thing that I always do. When price come into my point of interest, I don't set pending order. I wait for price to respect my point of interest by probably rejecting and closing away from it. That is the confirmation from okay, that level, there's high chance that level is going to hold. So that is what gives me confidence in my trade. At this point, I was waiting for price to close away from this, and price did that, and I entered this trade at the close of the first candle that closed away from this level. Though I entered late, I entered on the third candle. You can see the very first candle that closed within, then the second one closed above. This was the point I was supposed to enter, but when I quickly check the chart, I went in on this one here. So my target was this point here, but I was looking at this market structure as well to be a level that might want to disrupt the buy continuation. So that was why I have this market structure there. As you can see, as time goes on, price created that point of interest, but I did not go in on this. The reason why I didn't go in on this is because it is very, very close to my first entry. I let that go, and afterwards price pushed away from that point. I was doubting the movement, so that was why I put it on break even. And this is the next movement. You can see price took market structure that I was expecting price to take out, and market moved into this level here. Though the market structure that I was looking at, this one here, this market structure here was cleared out. Though after price cleared at that level, I was looking at a demand level. You can see this supply level rather was what I saw from the 4-hour. Let me show that on the trading view. Where is that? Yeah, this is there. So I saw this supply level here on the 4-hour. I was like, if this supply level can hold the price, there's high tendency this is going to drop from this point, because do you know what I was looking at as demand at that supply level? This break of structure that we had here, these are the levels that have high tendency of disrupting the price from going up. This one here and this one up here. That is why I had this one to be like a point I'll be looking to close the market. And look at how 4-hour candlestick rejected and closed away from that level. And that's was why when I closed that trade, you can see the market hit me out on that level there. I don't want the case whereby price will start dropping from this point, then clear off all my profits. So I was okay with what the market gave me at that point. So that was how I was able to go out with 300 and something p, 320 or thereabout. That was the profit that I where is you can see 332 pips. That was the profit that I made from that movement. So that was what I used to cover from the loss that I had on GBPUSD, and this still gave me extra profit for the week. So that is what really happened this week. I only took 3 trades, 1 break even, 1 loss, and 1 win. So that is a very, very, very good week for me. I really like the way gold moved for this week, and I'm expecting the same thing for the next week. So that is what really happened on gold as well. So what am I really expecting right now for gold for this coming week? Either price starts dropping from this point, or price take out this level and start going up. So these are the things that I'm looking out for. I'm looking for a clear close from this supply level and this market structure in combined here. So if these two levels here were taken out to the upside, then I'll be looking for buy continuation to this supply level. So that is basically what I'm looking out for on gold. Nothing really too serious. So the very first candlestick that gets into that level, close within that level, then the second one close was trying to break that, close below that supply level, but later moved back into the supply level. Then the third candlestick is within the supply level. So I'm just looking for a clear close away from this supply level. That's what I'm looking for on gold, for me to decide on which direction the market really wants to go. So again, let's see what this is going to give us for next week. And if price should move, let me do something here. If price should move from this point here, where is the next possible place for it to get to? So the next possible place for gold to get to is this demand level down here. So that's what I'm really expecting right now. If price can just drop from that level, imagine going into a trade from that point to the next demand level. You can see how many people is that. We have about 1,260 pips, yes. But if price should close above this level here, we'll be looking at how many pips to this next supply level. That's about 500 pips movement from this point down to that point here to this supply level up here. So that is what I'm really looking at on gold right now. So let's see how this is going to go for this coming week. That is all I have for this week. So thanks for staying this long, and have a wonderful weekend. See you again next week. Bye.